Okay, guys. No freaking way! This is so awesome. I can breathe. I'm joking. Downloading. Oh, heck no. No freaking way. This is real. Wait, can I like, I'm moving my arms and then my character moves like that? Is it like that? Oh, heck no. Rating new account. Piggies. Tagal naman. Guys, i-fast mo muna to bago kayo mag-ano. Baka kasi matagal to eh. Patagal na naman ba to? Heck no. Hala, matagal na naman ba to? Katulad ng Genshin Impact. Hello, guys. Ayoko na, guys. Suko na ako sa mga ganito, guys. Screen Studio. Tingnan yan. Tingnan yan. Napaka ano naman ito, daya eh. Hello, guys. Bawal yata to sa akin. Creating new account pa rin. Isting na yan. Nag-ano ba ako? Nag-glitch ba ako? Nag-glitch ba ako? Ayan. That's why I hate using this thing. To take so long to freaking do this. How do I do this? Multiplication. Guys, napaka ano naman ito, guys. Napakataya naman ito. This is a freaking ampere. I'm joking. Wait, what? Okay. I hate this game. Are you thinking serious? It's freaking 1 hour. Joke lang. Hindi 1 hours pa, guys. Mga 4:56. 4:58, 4:59, 5. It's been 5 freaking minutes. Look at the timer at the camera. I mean, you can see it, but I can only see it. But are you serious or something? Guys, ano na cellphone ko? Infinix NTC made in China. It is color shiny gold. Me. Ako nagda-download ng mga ganito, guys. Kayo na lang, guys, mag-download. Ayoko na. Waiting na yan. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. I quit. I quit! I can't quit. Oh, God. Quit. I'm pressing the freaking button. That's it. I'm not doing this anymore. I'm not doing this anymore. I give up. I hate this game. Download for free.